I'm Kwan Ho, and today we are going to draw a Rubik's Cube like this one. Like this one. Like that way. Yeah. Like that. So what you're going to do is draw like a square and then draw like that, and then connect it. Then go down, but stop, I think, right there, and then connect it. It's this and this. Okay, it's diagonal, not across. Now you're going to draw these things here. So like that. You need to connect these two lines, like if it's other parts, like that. It's the same side, like going up, like this one. This one going up, this one going up, this one going up, this one going. So this like this, like that. Now you're going to get like a light red and a dark red, like maybe this one and this one, like this one and this one maybe. This is light one, dark one. So the red is going to be here. So color the outside part like this. And then color inside with this. Just color all of them. Like that. And then the other side too. It's going to take a while with blue and yellow. So, bye. That was a mixed cube like this one. So let's draw a mixed one now. It's the same strategy. Let's like mix it and like see it how it goes. Now I mixed it. Now this is blue because the blue is in the middle, red and yellow. Let's draw it. So, as the last time, same strategy, but we're going to look at this time. So, it's always yellow here, blue here, red here, at the middle. So, we're going to color it like that. So, outline it with darker or lighter one that isn't same with this color. And yeah. So this thing. So you draw it like this and blue too. Like that, and that. Now we got that right. Look here. Here. Now, let's see blue where it is. Let's see blue right here, and right here, and right there. So let's color that. Now we got those down. And now we have to get, I think, red or yellow first. Maybe red, okay? Red is right here, right here, right here, and right here. Yellow. Now let's color orange and green and white, but we don't color white. Just outline them with white with these. Okay? I did it a little wrong, but it's okay. Now I'm done with my rubik. Look. So this one is the next one, and that one is the fixed one. So bye. Please subscribe and put the thumbs up button and click the bell. Bye.